Right, next lesson, binomial theorem. First concept, notation and factorial. This is denoted by this symbol or this symbol and factorial. See, the value of 0 factorial is defined as 1. If n is a natural number, that is a positive integer, then n factorial is defined as 1 into 2 into 3 and so on n. So 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 1 into 2 equal to 2, 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 6, 4 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 24 and so on. Okay. So n factorial is denoted by these two symbols. ఇది రేర్ గా ఉంటుంది చూసుకోండి, అక్కడ ఇస్తారు రేర్ అనుకుంటారు, ఎక్కువ వాడడం యూజ్ చేయ కాబట్టి. సో both are same. And one application, n factorial can be expressed as n into n minus 1 factorial. See, 3 factorial only. 3 factorial can be expressed as 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 is 2 factorial into 3. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2 factorial. Similarly, 4 factorial is 4 into 1 into 2 into 3 is again 3 factorial. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 factorial. Okay. Again, we can express this n minus 1 factorial is n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Okay. And so on. So, we can provide 4 factorial కింద some factorial. So, in cancel చేయడం కోసం some factorial can be expressed as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Cancel. So 1 by 7 into 6 into 5 answer. So this is about notation and factorial. Next, notation NCR. NCR is also denoted by capital C of n comma r. దీంట్లో కూడా డినోట్ చేస్తాం. ఇంకో సింబల్ ఉంటుంది రైట్. ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ రాసి పైన n కింద r రాస్తాం. దీంట్లో కూడా డినోట్ చేస్తాం. సో 3 సేమ్. 3 r same. Remember. So NCR is defined as n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. N, r are non-negative integers. R is greater than or equal to 0. N is greater than or equal to 1. Integers, always integers, greater than or equal to 1. And n always greater than or equal to r. Proof of this one and what about this one, we will see about this clearly in the coming lesson, permutations and combinations. Just definition by heart as a definition. NCR is defined as n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. N and r are non-negative integers, right? So from this, the value of n is 0. Put r equal to 0 on both sides. N factorial by n factorial into 0 factorial. 0 factorial 1, n factorial by n factorial cancel 1. So for any value of n, suffix value 0, nc0 value 1, 2c0 1, 3c0 1, 4c0 1, 10c0 1, 100c0 1, etc. Okay. The value of LCM, put r equal to n on both sides. N minus n, 0 factorial, 1. N factorial cancel. So this is also 1. Thus NC0 equal to NCM, both are equal to 1. If these are same or suffix value 0, both are equal to 0. 2C2, 3C3, 4C4, 5C5, etc. values are 1. Next. The value of NC1, put r equal to 1 on both sides. N factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. 1 factorial value 1. From the above property, n factorial can be expressed as n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. Cancel. Therefore, n. Therefore, NC1 equal to n. So suffix value 1, plus value is n. 2C1 2, 3C1 3, 4C1 4, 10C1 10, 15C1 15. Okay. Next, NC2. Put r equal to 2 on both sides. N factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. N factorial from the above property application, n factorial can be expressed as first n into n minus 1 factorial. Again n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. N minus 2 factorial cancel. Therefore NC2 equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay. So suffix value 2. If the suffix value 2, then the value of NC2 value, product of two consecutive numbers start from n by 2 factorial. Okay? Remember like this. Suppose similarly NC3, suffix value 3. Suffix value 3. So we have to write 3 consecutive numbers to start from this number n. N next one, n minus 1 next one, n minus 2 by suffix value 3 means 3 factorial. Again the value of 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3. Similarly we can write remaining. So NC4, suffix value 4, write 4 consecutive factors. Start from n. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 factorial and so on. Thus we can find the values of NC2, NC3, NC4, NC5 and so on. Don't apply this formula. So if we need anyway the values of NCR, apply these. NC0 value 1, NC1 value n. From this suffix value 2, write 2 consecutive factors by 2 factorial. Suffix value 3, write 3 consecutive numbers start from n by 3 factorial. Suffix value 4, write 4 consecutive numbers start from n by 4 factorial. Means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on. Suppose if we need 6C2, suffix value 2. So write 2 consecutive factors to start from 6. 6 to next number 5 by 2 factorial. So 30 by 2, 15. Next 8C3, suppose. So suffix value 3. 8, 7, 6. 3 numbers are by 3 factorial. Means 1 into 2 into 3. 6, 6 cancel. So 56 answer. Like that. Okay. So this is about notation and NCR. So practice the formula NCR and how to find the values of NCR by using this formula. Now, maximum and minimum values of NCR. Maximum. Maximum value of NCR. Even or n is even. N is odd. 4C0 value 1, 4C1 value 4, 4C2 from the above concept 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 means 6, 4C3 from the above 4, 4C4 value 1. What about the values? Values are increasing then decreasing. What is the maximum value? 6 maximum value. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Of these 5 values, 6 is maximum value. What is the 6, 4, C2? Relation between 2 and 4 is 4 by 2 is 2. So, if n is even, NCR has maximum value at r equal to n by 2. When n is even, NCR has maximum value at r equal to n by 2. Okay. What is the maximum value of 6CR? 6C3. 6 by 2 and 3. Okay. What is the maximum value of 8CR? 8C4. What is the maximum value of 30CR? That is 30C15. Okay. 10 is odd. Suppose n equal to 5. 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, 5C5. 5C0 value 1, 5C1 value 5, 5C2 value 5 into 4 by 210. 5C3 is also 10. 5C4 only 5 is 5C5 only 1 is. Okay. So what are the maximum value? 10. There are two cases maximum value 10. 5C2 and 5C3. What is the relation between 5 and 2? This 2 equal to 5 minus 1 by 2. Relation between 5 and 3, 3 equal to 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now generalize. NCR has maximum value. If n is odd, NCR has maximum value at r equal to n minus 1 by 2 or n plus 1 by 2. Two possibles. Both are same. But cases, two cases. N minus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2. What are the maximum values of some CR? So, r n equal to 7. 7 minus 1 by 2, 3. Some C3. 7 plus 1 by 2, some C4. So, some C3 or some C4 is maximum value of NCR. What is the maximum value of 33CR? 33 minus 1, 32 by 2, 16. So, R equal to 16. R 33 plus 1, 34 by 2, 17. R equal to 17. So, maximum values of 33C are 33C 16 or 33C 17. Both are same for two cases. So, this is about the maximum value of NCR when n is even and n is odd. By heart. N is even, formula for R n by 2. When n is odd, formula for R n minus 1 by 2 or n plus 1 by 2. Now, properties of NCR. Properties of NCR. First one. NCR equal to NC n minus R. Both are equal. See the proof. Formula for NCR from the definition n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. Formula for this from this definition n factorial by in the place of R n minus R. So what is n minus of n minus R? R factorial into in the place of R there is n minus R. See both are same. Okay. So NCR equal to NC n minus R. We can replace the R with n minus R. No change in this one. So that means NC 0 equal to NC 10. 10 minus 0, 10. NC 1 equal to NC 9. Okay, no. NC 2 equal to NC 10 minus 2, 8 and so on. So ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాము? If we need the value of suppose 13C 11, suffix value 11. Suffix value 11 means 13 into 12 into and so on. We have to write 11 factors by 11 factorial. That is too lengthy. So from this formula, 13C 11 equal to 13C 13 minus 11. We subtract it 2. Both are same. Now we can find this one easily. Suffix value 2. Suffix value 2 means 13 into 2. Write 2 consecutive factors to start from 30 by 2 factorial is 2. 2 ones, 2 sixes, 13 sixes, 78 answer. Okay. మనకి ఎక్కడైనా 19C 16 need అయింది ఎక్కడైనా. So actually ఇది, but by using this formula 19C 16 equal to 19C 3. So suffix value 3 consecutive factors 19, 18, 17 by 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3, 6 ones, 6 3s, so 19 into 3 into 17. So can calculate. So that is purpose of this formula. Not only this one. So మీకు ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తే మీకు సపోజ్ ఆన్సర్ 32 C 12 వచ్చినట్టు సపోజ్ ఆన్సర్, అది ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఉండదు. మీకు ఇంకా ఆన్సర్ లేదు అనుకుంటా ఉంటారు. ఓకేనా? అది లేనప్పుడు ఇంకోటి ఏమంటుంది ఆన్సర్ 13C 12 ఉండదు 20, 32 minus 12 20. మీకు యాక్చువల్ చేసి ఇది వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ అది ఎవరు ఒకసారి ఇది ఇస్తారు. సో బోత్ ఆర్ ఆన్సర్ సేమ్. ఓకేనా? సో అడ్వాన్స్ లో మోర్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఇది ఇచ్చి ఇంకొక ఆప్షన్ ఇది ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, మరి 2 ఆన్సర్స్ అవుతాయి. సో ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంటీజర్ మోర్ దాన్ 1 ఆన్సర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎన్సీఆర్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తే ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి ఇంకొక ఆన్సర్ ఉందేమో చెక్ చేసుకోండి ప్లీజ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Second one, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Then by using formula NCR, we can prove LHS equal to RHS. Apply NCR formula to this one and this one by add and do this one. Clearly opposite రెండు సేమ్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఫార్ములా కాకుండా ఇంకా స్మార్ట్ గా ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు మనము. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ లెసన్ పర్మిషన్ కాంబినేషన్స్ లో ఇది ప్రూవ్ చెప్తాను. ఇది ఇలా కాకుండా వేరే మెథడ్లో చెప్తాను. ఈజీ, నో రిటర్న్ వర్క్. రైట్, నౌ సీ ది కండిషన్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్. n values same, suffix values are consecutive ఉండాలి. r minus 1 plus 1 consecutive. Then in that case we can apply this formula. Answer is add 1 to n, common one n. n ki 1 add cheyandi. The suffix రెండు consecutive numbers అన్న కదా, ఆ రెండింటిలో big number తీసుకోండి. So ఇలా conditions we have to remember. That is the comfort. n same ఉండాలి, suffix values consecutive. Then answer add 1 to common n and write suffix value big one of 2 suffix values means r. ఇలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే మీకు ఈ n ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్స్ ఇచ్చిన న్యూమరికల్స్ ఇచ్చిన వితౌట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేయొచ్చు క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది, అవి వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ కూడా క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఇలా కండిషన్స్. ఓకే, see one problem related to that one. The value of 50C4 plus sigma r equal to 1 to 6, 56 r C3. So this is very very important for both YP and objective, purely related to this concept. I am hoping the sigma when r is 1, $55 C3, when r is 2, $54 C3, next $53 C3, next $52 C3, when r is 6. 50C3. Okay. So by observing all these, we can apply this formula to this first one and the last one. See, 50, 50, same suffix values to conjugate to. So from the above formula, sum of the first one and last one is 50 ki 1 add cheyandi 51. See, suffix 3 4 lo big one vastundi 51C4. Again, we can apply that formula for this one and that one because 51, 51 same, 3, 4 conjugate. So, sum of these two is 52C4. Again, we can add these two. Sum of these two is 53C4. Next, 54C4, 55C4, 56C4. Therefore, answer 56C4. Final answer. There are so many problems you can create based on this second property by heart into conditions. N same, suffix values conjugate to same n one add sharing. We have to take big one of 2 conjugate to suffix values. Okay. Next, third property. NCR equal to n by r n minus 1 c r minus 1. Can extend this one. N by r, subtract 1, n minus 1 minus 1. We can extend this one. Again, by applying the same formula to this one, n minus 1 by r minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So, n minus 2 c r minus 1. Again, by applying this formula, n minus 2 by r minus 2 into n minus 3 c r minus 3 and so on. Okay. What is the purpose of this one? Rarely we advance level problems use చేస్తాము. అంటే మనకి ఇచ్చిన దానికి ఇలా కనుక్కోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. సిగ్మా NCR ఉంటుంది బై ఇంటూ ఆర్ ఉంటుంది ఇంటూ ఆర్. సో మనకి ఈ ఇంటూ ఆర్ తో ప్రాబ్లం. ఈ ఆర్ లేకపోతే సమ్ చేయొచ్చు బట్ ఆర్ ఉంటే ప్రాబ్లం చేయలేము. ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ we have to apply this formula NCR n by r cancel, then we can solve that problem easily. In some cases coefficient to r minus 1 రెండు ఉంటాయి. అప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి ఎందుకంటే r minus 1 cancel. In some cases coefficient to r minus 1 r minus 2. In that case we have to apply 3 times the above formula. Okay. Right. This is the decreasing formula. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on. Similarly, there is increasing formula. NCR equal to C. R plus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 1 C R plus 1. Really same okay. Apply this formula to this one. The formula D apply n plus 1 by R plus 1 minus 1 చేస్తే NCR. So R plus 1 cancel, n plus 1 cancel, NCR. LHS equal to RHS. Okay na? So this is increasing formula. This is decreasing formula. Equal to, can extend this one. Same R plus 1 by n plus 1. Same. This is equal to R plus 2 by n plus 2 into n plus 2c R plus 2. Again this can be expressed as R plus 3 by n plus 3, n plus 3c R plus 3 and so on. ఇది ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం? ఈ సమయం ఈ ఫార్ములా ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం? సపోజ్ సిగ్మా NCR by R plus 1 by R plus 1 తో ప్రాబ్లం ఇలా కూడా సమ్ చేయొచ్చు. In that case we have to apply this formula. ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తే R plus 1 cancel, then we can solve the problem. So rate advanced వస్తుంది email problems. Right? Next important formula, fourth one, NCR minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. By heart this one, very important. So we use this one in so many problems too. So conditions, n same, suffix values are constant too. In numerator big one, denominator small one. Then formula for that, n minus r plus 1 by r. n minus r plus 1 by r. Similarly, from this, NCR minus 1 by NCR is r by n minus r plus 1. Next, NCR equal to NCS if and only if two methods bases are equal or n equal to this number equal to sum of the suffix values r plus s, r equal to s or n equal to r plus s. Some cases both possible, some cases only one is possible. So by heart, NCR equal to NCS, r equal to s or n equal to r plus s. Next, last one, very important. This is NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1 are in AP. Then condition n minus 2r whole square equal to n plus 2. Suffix values constant to r minus 1 or r plus 1. Okay, r in AP. Then formula n minus 2r whole square equal to n plus 2. n is clear. r in this only middle term తీసుకోవాలి. Middle term r under r ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలి. Thus n minus 2r whole square equal to n plus 2. So curve is based on this one. n r of these two values, so one value is given, find other value. Get quadratic in the variable n by factorize two values of n. Of course, of them one is possible or both are possible. You have to check. So these are the properties of NCR. So please all by heart these. So మీకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇవన్నీ అప్లై చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో మీకు గుర్తుంటేనే ఆ ప్రాబ్లం మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. కాబట్టి మినిమం 3 or 4 times రాయండి ప్రాపర్టీస్ అండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. Now, binomial expansion. The expansion of so already we have the formula for a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole power 4 means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole cube can be expressed as a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube. By multiplying those two, get a plus b whole power 5. A plus b whole power 6 means a plus b whole square whole cube or a plus b whole cube whole square. By using either formula, get the expansion of a plus b whole power 6. Now general expansion of x plus a whole power n. Expansion of binomial. Binomial means two terms. 3 unit trinomial. So x plus a whole power n expansion formula. NC0 power of first one into first one to the power n into a power 0 means 1. Next, second term NC1 x power n minus 1 into a plus NC2 x power n minus 2 into a square. Thus, powers of x are decreasing by 1, powers of a are increasing by 1. In each term, sum of the powers of x and a is equal to n. Observe. N minus 1 plus 1, n minus 2 plus 2. And so on. General term. See the suffix value 2, n minus 2, 2, 2, 2. Observe. First I am writing next one. NC3 x power n minus 3 aq. And so on. General term. NCR x power r n minus r a power r. And so on. Last term. What happened in last term? X power 0 a power n minus n 0 a power n. So this is the formula for expansion of binomial x plus a whole power n. By heart this one. This is called r plus 1th term. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, and so on. This is not nth term, n plus 1th term, because start from 0. 0 to n means number of terms is not n plus 1, because including 0 term. So number of terms is n plus 1. So this is suffix value 1, that is second term, suffix value 2, that is third term, suffix value 3, that is fourth term, suffix value r, that is r plus 1th term. So general term, this is called general term, r plus 1th term. Formula for the NCR x power n minus r a power r. Very, very important. 50% problems we will use this formula, r plus 1th term by heart. So we know how to find the values of NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 and so on, and express a whole power n. Applications of this one. Number of terms in this expansion is clearly n plus 1, r plus 1th term formula. The coefficients NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 are called binomial coefficients. NC0, NC1, NC2 and so on, NCn are called binomial coefficients. These are also denoted by capital C0, capital C1, capital C2 and so on, capital Cn. The n value 10 అనుకోండి. 10C3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో మనకి క్యాపిటల్ C3 గా వస్తుంది. అలాగే n value 20 అనుకోండి. 20C5 is also denoted by capital C5. Okay. Binomial coefficients. ఇంకా okay. Pick the term from any. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term and so on. So from any picked term is equal to, from beginning n plus 2 minus the term. Okay na? X plus a whole power 20 unity. Suppose manaki 10th term from ending avali. 10th term from ending. 10th term from ending equal to, by using this formula, n plus 2 minus 3, n value 20. 20 plus 2, p and 10. So 22 minus 10, 12. So 10th term from ending is the same as 12th term from beginning. Just to by heart that one. So my problem is if third term from ending is equal to 5th term from beginning are equal, find some unknown value, or if the ratio of third term from beginning and 7th term from ending is 2:3, what is some unknown value? Annappudu ee formula use chesukovali. So formula for pth term from ending is n plus 2 minus 3. Okay. Now from the above, we can write the expansion of x minus a whole power n. X minus a whole power n means x plus minus a whole power n. So from the above formula, this is equal to nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 minus a. So plus minus minus. Next what we do, minus a whole square plus next to minus a whole cube means minus. Next to minus a whole power 4. Thus alternative plus or minus signs. So this is about expansion of binomial. Now see example. What is the expansion of 4x plus 5y whole power 7? So formula 7c nc0 means 7c0 x power n means 4x whole power 7. By the formula చూస్తాము next 7c1 first one to the power 7 minus 1 6 into 5y plus 7c2 4x 7 minus 2 5 5y power 1 with 2. Next 7c3 4x, that's powers of first one are decreased by 1, powers of second one are increased by 1. So 4x whole power 4, 5y whole cube, and so on. Okay. Similarly, see second example and see third one. Third example. The fourth term from ending in 2a plus 5b whole power 8. Fourth term from ending. Formula by heart. Reading formula by heart చేయాల్సిన అవసరం. Power 8 means total number of terms 9. Power 8 means total number of terms 9. So last term 9th one, last but one 8th one, next one 7th one, next one 6th one. So what is the fourth term from ending? That is the 6th term from beginning. So required is P6. We have to write 6 5 plus 1. Now this is in the form of P r plus 1. Formula for P r plus 1 NCR x power n minus r a power r in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. X is the first term, a is the second term. Therefore from this formula 8 c r value 5. Next first one n minus r 8 minus 5 3 5b whole power 5. This is formula ఇచ్చేసామనుకోండి. formula ఏంటి n plus 2 minus 3, n value 8 plus 2 p 4 కదా. సో 10 minus 4 6 సేమ్ వస్తుంది 6 కదా. అలా చిన్న చిన్న వాటికి బై హార్ట్ చేసి అప్లై చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Right, next middle term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n depends on the value of power n even or odd. Suppose power is 8 even, n is even, power 8. So power suppose n equal to 8, number of terms is 9. Number of terms is 9. When number of terms is 9, clearly middle term is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So middle term is 5. What is the relation between 8 and 5? 5 is 8 by 2 plus 1. So formula, if n is even, middle term in the expansion of that one is n by 2 plus 1. Okay, by heart this one formula. Next, suppose power is 9, number of terms is 10. First 1, 2, 3, 4 give it. Last 7, 8, 9, 10. So middle terms are okay na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of terms is 10 and power is 9. So there are in that case there are two middle terms 5 and 6. 4, 4. There are two middle terms. What is relation between 9 and 5 and 9 and 6? 5 is 9 minus 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 by 2. 6 is 9 plus 3 by 2. 9 plus 3, 12 by 2. Therefore, if n is odd, there are two middle terms. Formula for them n plus 1 by 2 or n plus 3 by 2. So n is even, there is only one middle term, that is n by 2 plus 1 term. If n is odd, there are two middle terms. They are n plus 1 by 2 term and n plus 3 by 2 term. So by that. Problem. Find the middle term in the expansion of 3x by 7 minus 2y whole power 10. Find the middle term in the expansion of this one. So n is even. So the simple numbers ki no need to by heart. 10 means power 10 means total number of terms 11. So clearly in 11 terms middle term is the sixth one. So required is T6. Formula apply chestunnaru when n is even n by 2 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 6. 6 means 5 plus 1. So T r plus 1 formula. NCR x power n minus r a power r. Don't forget this minus, plus minus. Okay, so by simplifying, get required. Next, find the middle terms of 4x squared plus 5x whole power 7. Power 7 means total number of terms 8. 8 there are two middle terms. They are 4 and 5. By using formula 7 plus 1 by 2 4, 7 plus 3 by 2 5. Therefore T4 T5 are middle terms. 4 means 3 plus 1, 5 means 4 plus 1. So by using formula TR plus 1 formula MCR x power n minus r a power r get to two middle terms. Next, number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n is n plus 1. Now similarly, number of terms of in the expansion of x minus a whole power n is also n plus 1. Now number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n. N is even, n is odd. Here n is even or odd, same formula, number of terms. So here number of terms depends on the value of n, even or odd. So there is formula, but my suggestion, don't by heart that one. So easily we can find the number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n plus or minus x minus a whole power n. N is even, n is odd. 4 cases. Even or middle plus or minus. See through an example. X plus a whole power 8 plus x minus a whole power 8. Even case. Middle plus case. Okay now. In this expansion, total number of terms 9. Okay. All positive. 9 terms positive. In this expansion, number of terms 9. So alternative plus or minus. Major minus alternative plus or minus. But starting term positive. Starting term positive. Starting term positive. Number of terms 9 alternative plus or minus means 5 positive, 4 negative. In this 4 negative cancel అయిపోతుంది. ఇంకేంటి 5 positive, 5 positive. సేమ్ ఉంది ఎప్పుడు అంటే ఇందులో what is first term 8c 0 x power 8. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ సేమ్ 8c 0 x power 8. ఇందులో థర్డ్ టర్మ్ 8c 2 x power 6 a square. In this one third term 8c 2 x power 8 to a square. Positive. So by in this one 5 positive terms, in this one 5 positive terms. Okay, but those 5 positive, these 5 terms are same kada. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అంటే వీటన్నిటిని 2 డిఫరెంట్ గా కౌంట్ చేయడం మనం వీటన్నిటిలో 2 కామన్ తీసి రెండు ఒకే టర్మ్ కదా 2 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ 2 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ సో ఆన్. సో 5 5 10 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్న సేమ్ కాబట్టి ఫైనల్ గా నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఏమవుతాయి అంటే 5. సో ఫర్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఇస్ 5 నాట్ 10. 9 positive 5 positive 4 negative negative cancel 5 positive was similar to 5 positive. So number of distinct terms is only 5. Okay. So what is the relation between 8 and 5? So that 5 is 8 by 2 plus 1. So if n is even, formula for number of terms in this expansion n by 2 plus 1. Okay. Same n is odd. I am taking 9 power. In that case number of terms. So total number of terms is 10 positive. Here 5 positive, 5 negative. 5 negative, 5 negative cancel. 5 positive, 5 positive negative only. So number of terms is also 5. Equal number of terms is 5. What is the relation between 9 and 5? 9 is 5 is 9 plus 1 by 2. So if n is odd, number of terms in this expansion formula n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Next x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n, even case odd case. Okay, similarly we can prove. But my solution by heart this one. Number of terms in the expansion of the form of the one x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n plus x plus ai whole power n plus x minus ai whole power n is step of n by 4 plus 1. ఇది మాత్రం బై హార్ట్ చేయండి. ఇది ఆర్డర్ మెథడ్ ట్రై చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్. So if given one is in the form of this one, so formula for number of terms step of n by 4 plus 1. Please by heart this one. Last one. If the number of terms is r, in that case number of terms x1 plus x2 and so on xr to the power n. Number of terms in this expansion. Number of terms in this expansion formula n minus r plus 1 c r minus 1. Very important by heart. So proof of this one we will see proof of this one in the coming lesson, permutations and combinations. But here very important note, x1 x2 x3 and x4 xr are independent to each other. దీనికి సంబంధం ఉండదు, దీనికి నెక్స్ట్ దానికి సంబంధం ఉండదు. అంటే మనకి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ ది ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ x plus y plus z whole power 10 అన్నారు అనుకోండి, కెన్ బై దిస్ ఫార్ములా. దిస్ త్రీ ఆర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. సో ఫార్ములా n is 10, r అంటే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 3 కదా, r plus 3. సో in this expansion number of terms is 10 minus 3 plus 1 c 3 minus 1. So by simplify get required. So independent and dependent, if these are dependent to each other we cannot apply this formula. And the number of terms in the expansion of x plus 2 xy plus 3z whole power 10 అన్నారు అనుకోండి. So these two are not independent. ఇక్కడ x ఇక్కడ x ఉంది కదా, అది డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది కదా మరి. So in this case don't apply this formula. So ఒకదానికొకటి సంబంధం లేనప్పుడు can apply this formula. x 2x ఇంకోటి 3x square 2x square ఇంకోటి 3x cube. Number of terms in the expansion of x plus 2x square plus 3x cube whole power 10. So don't apply this formula. So ఇది ఈ formula fail అవుతుంది because they are dependent. But we can apply this formula for this type of problems because all are independent from other. So very important by heart. See one problem. If the coefficients of 2, 3, 4 terms, the coefficients of second, third, fourth terms of 1 plus x whole power n are in AP, then the value of n equal to, okay, first compare this one with x plus a whole power n, r plus 1 term formula, NCR formula. I am applying formula for this from the above binomial theorem formula. NC0 x power n under 1 power n into x power 0 plus, okay na, x plus a whole power n, x plus the 1 on the a plus the x and c1 x plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube and so on. Given that second term, third term, fourth terms coefficients. So coefficients of second term, third term, fourth term means nc1, nc2, nc3 are in AP. So see above last property, NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1 are in AP. Then formula n minus 2r whole square equal to n plus 2. So n is n, in the place of r there is 2. Therefore n minus 4 whole square equal to n plus 2. So by simplifying get quadratic in the variable n and by factorize get the true values of n. Check of them, one is possible, other one is not possible. So how to check possible or not possible? NCR is defined when n greater than or equal to r. Suppose r greater than n, in that case that one is not possible, impossible case.